Master-slave architecture high-voltage boxes. Connection tutorial. Take 80 seconds as an example to connect. We have prepared the accessories required in the video. We first solder the acquisition cable to the battery pack. The collection cable is marked with the cell serial number B1 to 15, B+. Connect in order from low to high and check again when finished. Then insert the buckle end into the slave port. The temperature sensor is also inserted into the dedicated port of the slave machine. The remaining slave machines follow the steps just now. Need to connect battery packs in series. The last step is to connect the battery pack and slave to the host. The total negative terminal of the battery pack is connected to this position. The total positive terminal of the battery pack is connected to this position. These two terminals connect the positive and negative terminals of the charging and discharging equipment. After the positive and negative poles of the battery pack are connected to the high voltage host, the switch can be pressed to light up the display. After power on, we insert the data transmission line. To enable communication between the master and the slave, use the data transmission cable to plug into the host communication port link out. Plug the other end into the one slave port input. Insert the one slave output using the data transmission line. Plug the other end into the input port of the to-slave machine. 3, 4, and 5 slave machines are wired according to the previous step. After all operations are completed, the battery pack information can be viewed on the display.